some of the social problems carried by the overweight people. Friends, we know that obesity or being overweight is a condition. It is not a permanent situation of any individual until and unless he has knowledge to cope up with this situation. But usually, what I have seen that many of the people who are obese or overweight, they tend to face some of the social issues also of because of the this situation. Hi, my name is Bhupinder. I'm an online fitness coach. I'm a lifestyle expert and I help people to lose their weight. Friends, obesity is a condition. I still remember those days when I got selected in a company and the company owner just told me that I saw you 2 years back. On that time, you used to look really smart and thin and you have gained so much of your weight. It was the conversation of year 2016 and within a 2 years, and he saw me first time in year 2014, and within a span of 2 years I gained a lot of weight just because I did not have the knowledge that how to take care of our own health. Friends, that's why I got really depressed. I got really frustrated. I really did not know that how to face my boss again in any kind of situation. That's why I left my company within 3 months. But since after that, I finally I find out the skills to cope up with my health, and I know that how to take care of my health. So that's why right now I have a different kind of confidence than earlier. Because earlier I used to believe that there is some kind of supernatural power or superfoods which can make you thin, which can make you handsome or smart. But the thing is this, that you need to learn some skills in your life if you want to have the benefit of health in your life. Friends, today I'd like to discuss about the three social problems which usually an obese people or overweight people usually face. The number one thing which they usually face is a social anxiety. If there is any festival nearby, what kind of suit I'm going to wear, what kind of sari I'm going to wear, how I'm going to face the situation, how I'm going to face my relatives, what they gonna say. These are the some questions usually comes in a mind if you are overweight or especially if you are young. On that time, I would like to suggest to you that gain the skill of losing your weight and be healthy for your lifetime. The first skill which I like to tell you is that the no exercise, no diet works until and unless it suits your lifestyle. If you have an active lifestyle, then you don't need to do any of the diets and any of the exercises. But you need to face this thing. You need to have the understanding that this is a temporary situation, and whenever you decide to change it on from that very since time, you will start your journey and you will reach your health goals. The number two problem which usually I have seen among the obese people is that they have the problem of depression. Usually, they think that all the worries of this world is only on them. On whenever they try to do any exercise, some situation comes in their life which stops them. Whenever they try to do any diet, any social occasions come, and they have to break their diet. But the thing which they can apply in their life, that those people who are fit, they also enjoy social occasion. If your stomach is full, then I don't think so you're going to need any of the cakes and pastry in parties. If your stomach is full, then you can control on your appetite. But if your stomach is empty, then definitely your body will demand something, especially the sugary things. They already play with the dopamine factor of our mind. So that's why have a good knowledge and have a good diet prior to any parties. This problem can be solved. In terms of depression, there is no perfect timing for the health. Whenever your body going to demand for exercise, for workouts, it going to say you no. But you have to do something about it. You need to have the courage to think different. You need to take your first step. for your fitness journey. And the reason is this: why you want to be fit. Because if you are not going to take your decision early, then definitely your doctor is going to give you a medicine along with prescription of workouts and exercise and diet if you are not going to adapt now. That's why don't be depressed. It is a condition which can be cured. The third point, usually, which which we can see in obese people, in many of the peoples also, they looking forward for the social gratification. Basically, if this thing looks good in me, then only I will buy. And if it has been suggested or approved by the society, I will do only those things which are approved by the society. But today, I like to tell you that your society is not going to live your life. Your society is not going to be with you at the time of your health journey. Your society and the people who are always tells to you that you cannot do it are not going to be part of that hospital bed which is already booked for you because of your overweight issue. Friends, overweight or obesity comes along with many of the problems: asthma, heart problems, diabetes, joint pains. There are many problems, and it all starts with the obesity or overweight issues. If you want to be young, if you want to be confident, if you want to have the many of the gifts of life to be in your attainment, then definitely I suggest you should start your health journey from now. Friends, I have made a ebook for you so that you can start your health journey with the beginner's workout and beginner's exercise. And beginner's diet also is included in the ebook. The link I am giving in the description so that you can download and you can start your health journey. If you want my personal guidance, then feel free to message me or contact me. This is Bhupendra signing out for now. I just wish for all of you to know your fitness.